Hi everyone, I'm Akila. In this video, let us display the user selected country names in the report. So whenever a user selects any slicer, in this example, a country, we may need to display these values in the report. So if it is multi-selected, we may need to display these values with comma separation. So, okay, let me write a measure and name this measure as country selection equals. Okay, based on the values and with comma selection, we know that we have concatenate and concatenate x functions. I'm using concatenate x function where I need to deal with the expression. Concatenate x will take the table name, financials, comma, the column name, comma, the delimiter. Okay, enter. Very simple, right? Very quick. So let me add this column to this cart. See, it has given us multiple dummy values. Why? Because based on each row in the financial tables country name, it is giving those many values. So to get unique values, what should I do? Instead of calling the financial tables, I'm calling values function, which will return the unique table column. Okay, table column values. I'm calling country column. Okay, I'm passing the financial country in values call function so that it will return unique values of or distinct values of financial country. Now let me enter and update. Yeah, see, it is giving me distinct values, unique values of country column, the complete column. If you see here, I haven't selected any. If I select, it is giving me France. If I select Germany, it is giving me Germany. If I select multiple countries, it is giving with comma selection, separation. Okay, if I don't select, default it is returning all the values. Now, let us go back and tweak it into our DAX formula of a measure. Okay, if user is not selecting anything, we should not do anything. So we have if condition. So let me write if condition. If condition will have an expression, a true statement, and else statement, right? For the false. So what should I do? Let me use this function is filter. Is filtered on a particular column. We know that we are working with financials country. So if this particular column is filtered by user, then the true statement display this. Else, if it is not selected or filtered, no country selected from slicer. More specific. Okay, alt enter to enter into the next line. Now enter. Okay, now see, no country selected from the slicer. Okay, let me select the Canada. Okay, let me select France. Let me select the multiple countries, comma separation. Okay, no selection. Fine. So sometimes it is important to know the user whether he has selected any country. Okay, when he's doing some analysis, an end user, he should be highlighting his selection so that at any point he'll refer it back. Hope this is useful. Thank you.